Hello friends, how are you? My name is Gurshan and you are watching my YouTube channel Fix Tech. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix this error your Windows is not genuine in this video. So be till the end. First of all, you have to just open the CMD promote. After that you have to just click on yes, that is compulsory to open it, and run it as administrator. This is very important. After that you have to type a command which is you can see on screen, slmgr. After that there is space that you cannot fill a wrong command. I am telling you, that's why. So after that you have to fill the command, full command you have to fill this. So I will tell you step by step. If you can't understand what I am speaking or what I am trying to say you can take the help of the text written on the video. So after that you have to type exit and you have to click on enter so that your CMD promote exits properly. After that you can see here such a dialog box and you have to click on OK. After that you will see that your that error is not fixed yet. So to fix it, the final or the last process, you have to restart your computer. After that that error will be properly fixed. If you have any doubt, you can be in the video and see till the end the result that it will be fixed or not. So if you are new on our channel and want these types of informative videos in two languages, multiple languages, so you can subscribe our channel and click the bell icon on all so that you can get the notifications of our new video first of all, so that if we are doing any giveaway video, so you can get the notification of our video. So let's talk about next step. Like this, we have restart our PC. So you can see here the error is fixed now and we can enjoy our wallpapers and no more black screen on our computer. So this much in today's video. I will meet you in the next video. तब तक के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दें.